How to fix Valorant keep crashing mid-game. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, one of the easiest way on how you can do this is by heading over to the settings right here, and once inside you want to click on settings. From here, navigate through the video controls and you want to make sure that you set your settings to low. Now what this will do is that it will run Valorant at the smoothest graphics and the smoothest setting. Right after, you can just go ahead and head over to the general options right here, and you want to make sure that you select the proper resolution of your monitor. Now right after, you want to head over to your Riot Games client right here. Go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you want to click on settings. Go ahead and click on Valorant and you want to click on repair. Now if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.